Hi guys, what is up, y'all? So, this is your Jamaican friend here again with another Ren reaction. So, the last time I did a reaction to Ren was I shot the sheriff with him and some other guys, right? So, this time it's gonna be him by himself. And today is Bob Marley's birthday. The time when you're watching this, it is February the 6th. So this is why I'm doing a representational song referring to Bob Marley by someone who really and truly respects Bob Marley. So let's take the time out to wish Bob Marley, Jamaica's legendary reggae singer of all time, a happy birthday because he's celebrating his birthday today. So I'm showing the homage, I'm showing the respect to Bob Marley for doing and keeping such relevancy in the reggae genre. Because Bob Marley is a trending artist. Whether or not they like it, he's always trending number one in the music industry when it comes on to reggae. He's always topping the chart. He's always selling out. The album that was done like a couple years ago, even long before I was born, Bob Marley is topping the chart just the same. He never changes because his music are substantial music. So we are going to react to Ren. I shot the sheriff. But this one is only him by himself. So I know what to expect, but I want to see something different on Ren's side. So guys, without further ado, oh yes, and last time I did the reaction was like from the Big Push, which is a group of guys, Ren included. So this is Ren's singular video right now. So let's see what's up. Without further ado, let's dive in. Let's celebrate Bob Marley's birthday, guys. Peace. Ah, superb instrumental, bro. Right? Ren plays very skillfully. Right? He never yet disappoints. Right? Especially when he's representing Bob Marley's legacy, Bob Marley's music. Bro, I'm in like 24/7. There's no denying about it. Ren is so skillful. He's so talented. He gives you what you want to hear. He gives you the original side of him. Right? And to see people out there really embrace Bob Marley's music and he's from Jamaica, that to tell that Jamaica is one of the countries that people really do respect locally, globally, internationally. And Ren is doing such great job at this point. Yes, we around in my hometown. People were trying to track me down. For crime that I did not commit. Guys, I respect this man's voice so much. It gives a lot of energy, it gives a lot of hope to show us the way that, hey, music is life. Music is one of the things that people literally use in their daily basis to go through life, whenever time they're having a rough moment. Ren is a very awesome guy, right? He sings with talent. He sings with joy. He sings with passion. He's passionate about Bob Marley's music, and I have to say big respect to him. He's doing fantastically. Very good, bro. Very good. You let our songs sound so good. Bob Marley would be proud of you, right?
I said
Guys, I've heard a lot of songs, a lot of covers by Bob Marley, which is the same song title, I Shot the Sheriff. But everything I've heard sounded differently. And everything stands out differently because each individuals are differently. But Ren's individual single, which is on this cover here, that is called I Shot the Sheriff, it's remarkable. It's telling how passionate, how we love this, how we love Bob Marley, how we really loves how Bob Marley came up with this song, and it's very relatable, right? This is what we called a great musical cover. Superb, bro.
and for what I just don't know. Whenever I would have to plant a seed, we would say that you live before we grow. Yeah, you would say that you live before we grow. But I said, shut the shepherd, but I do not see the
Classic, bro. Classical, Ren. This is what we call classic cover. Damn, this is super, bro.
but I swear it doesn't sound different.
Guys, I love the drum roll. I love the way how they just give the beat a slow kind of vibe. It's making the performance so superbly done. These things, right, that Ren is doing, right? I can tell that he's really a person who loves to do covers when it comes on to using a lot of instrumental, especially with these cover songs, such as Bob Marley's. Red is a very superb guy, right? He's so cool, he's so truthful, and he's so tactical when it comes on to this kind of music, this kind of performance, right? He never yet disappoints, to be honest. He never yet disappoints.
Woke up this morning with the belief that the What's up?
All right, guys. So I want to say, if you guys did reach thus far in this reaction, let's all wish Bob Marley a happy birthday, and may his music continues to change you guys' lives. May his music continues to live on through generations to come. I hope you all learned something from Bob Marley. I hope you all did went to somewhere you guys can witness Bob Marley. And if you guys reached that far in this video, he's supposed to do a movie that should be released the 14th of February. Well, the 14th of this month, February 2024, right? So you guys should stay tuned for that. Hope you guys do enjoy that movie. It's gonna be something great because he's a Jamaican and I think you guys really like his music. So thank you all guys for watching. And if you guys did like my reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.